Hello, hi and welcome to Nutrition Therapy by Lucy. This is a channel where we talk about food, good nutrition and health. Thank you for your support, for always watching my videos, leaving a comment, giving them a like, even for consuming my content. I am so grateful. But if you're here for the first time, please make sure you hit on that subscribe button, the red button. We get to learn all together. For the new subscribers, karibu sana. Feel welcome. Here we talk all matters nutrition and health to make sure that we live or we have a healthy lifestyle. So this week we'll be focusing on nutrition and skincare. Yesterday I did a video, the first recipe, and today I'm going to do recipe number 2 for our skincare. Remember, like anything you eat, whatever we eat, it has significant effect on our skin. So it's very important you take in nutrients that can help your skin to give that glowing complexion, to reduce the aging process, to help in exfoliating your skin, and to give you that smooth and clear skin. So nutrition is very important when it comes to your skincare. So today we're going to do the recipe 2. I hope you watched the first recipe. If not yet, I'm going to pin it on the comment section. Make sure you watch and also share it widely, because we all want to be smooth. We all want to have that glowing complexion, and also we want to look half our age. So make sure you watch that first recipe, and also make sure you watch this one, and also get to interact with the comment section. Let me get to know what you usually eat to help you to have that. Maybe we all have skin goals. I don't know your skin goal, I have mine, but let me get to know the comment section what you usually eat to make sure that you have a healthy skin. So let's go direct to our recipe, for our ingredients for our second recipe. So these are our ingredients. You have a red apple, you have 2 small sized lemon, you have a beetroot, we have a cucumber, then here we have our pineapple, and I might put in maybe some watermelon. Like, you come to notice that, like, maybe for the 5 recipes that I'll be sharing, like all of them I'll be using pineapple. Reason being, pineapples, yesterday I told you the benefits of pineapples, the bromelain, the digestive enzyme, it helps in digestion, has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal effects on our body. So like all of my recipes, you find that I have in some pineapples, and also they are good source of vitamin C. Vitamin C, very important when it comes to production of our collagen. Remember, like we said yesterday, as we age, our body makes less or even produces less collagen, an important protein that is needed to give our skin that elasticity, clear skin, and also for a healthy skin. So you need vitamin C for your production of collagen, and pineapple, good source of vitamin C. And also today we've added lemon. Yesterday we used an orange. Today we're going to use a lemon, and also good source of vitamin C. And also it's very common, even when you are making maybe our homemade facial scrub. Some people even apply raw lemon on their face. So lemon and skincare, very important. Then we have cucumber and amla, good source of vitamin E and vitamin A, and we need them to softly exfoliate our skin. So you can either use cucumber or amla, or you can use either of them and still you can combine the two. So the cucumber and amla. Then here we have a red apple. You can either use the red apple or the green one. powerhouse for like every nutrient that we need. Source of antioxidants that prevents our skin from oxidative stress, and also all those antioxidants, they prevent our body from many bacterial and viral diseases. So you need an apple, like an apple a day keeps the doctors away. So apples, powerhouse for nutrients, you need it. We need it now for our second recipe. Then we have the beetroot, good source of flavonoids and phenols like the anthocyanins that are very important and strong antioxidants when it comes to our skincare. So these are our ingredients, and today we are going to juice. You're not blending anything. We are going just to juice them. So let's prepare our ingredient and get direct to juicing. And this is the pineapple that ilibakia jana, because we need only just a small piece. And actually we find that eating healthy, it's very economical. It's not that expensive like maybe most people think. Like for here, maybe ni kitu tu ka amla, maybe unaweza kosa hapo nje kwa mtu wa kibanda ama wherever you buy your stuffs. Maybe only amla unaweza kosa, but the rest of the ingredients, they are readily, locally, and much affordable. So nutrition, it's very, very cheap. Good nutrition, that is. Good nutrition, it's very cheap. So this is our pineapple. Like, see, even for today, you're not going to use everything. So that means even tomorrow, I'm sorted. Kwa hivyo ukinunua tu pineapple moja, it can take you for 2, 3, even 4 days. So those are our pineapples. And also remember to clean. Remember to clean your ingredient very thoroughly. I usually clean my veggies, my fruits. Here there is a video with water. I dip them in water and some vinegar. Then I make sure that I rinse vinegar very thoroughly. So before juicing, before making any smoothie, making your juices, make sure you clean your ingredients very, very well. So these are our pineapple. And you can freeze them. Kama unapenda to make maybe frozen smoothies, frozen juices, you can freeze your pineapples, your bananas. But for me, no. So those are pineapples. I think I should add these small mediums, just a small piece of watermelon. And actually when you eat well, ukikula tu vizuri, skin yako inaoneshananga. That's a good thing about good nutrition. When you take care of whatever you eat, the food you eat takes care of your skin. Itaoneshana tu. So those are our pineapple and watermelon. I think now I can go to the cucumber. I think I'm going just to use half of the cucumber and half of the amla. They're in the same class, so you can use either or just combine. So these are our cucumbers. And like you can see, kama zimekatwa, it's very hard to differentiate between the amla and the cucumbers. They are almost the same. So those are our cucumber and amla. Now I'm going to put some lemon. And all of these ingredients, they're good sources of vitamin C and E. And when it comes to skin, it's all about vitamin E, C, and A. Very important when it comes to our skin. For wound healing, when it comes to acne, recovering from acne, exfoliating our skin, those dark spots, you need vitamin C and E. Vitamin E, C, and A, they are very important. Because they were just small, I'm going to put, they were just small, but if you have maybe one big lemon, you can use it. You can either use lemon or lime. Very important to take care of our skin. Hata kama tumezeeka, si lazima ukae umezeeka. Unakatalia 16 ama ukienda sana 22. But ukitoa ID inaongea kitu ingine. Our ingredients, they are very ready for juicing, and these are what you are going to juice. So let's juice and see how everything counts. And our juice is ready. That simple ingredients, simple recipe, and all the ingredients that we have used, they are very available and affordable. So you have no excuse why you should not try out this recipe. So let's see what we have. See what we have here. And this is our juice. And this is how should we call it? Should we name it maybe beetroot, amla, cucumber juice? But anyway, it is a very healthy juice. Like you see the ingredients that we have used, powerhouse for like all the nutrients that your body requires, that your skin requires for that glowing complexion, for exfoliating our skin, to clear those dark spots, to heal from acne. You need such nutrients in your body. Vitamin E, vitamin A, and vitamin C, very important for our skin, to make sure that we keep that collagen production going on, because like I said, as you continue aging, the collagen production stops. That's why you find that the aging will start checking in, the wrinkles, but you can slow that aging process by taking in nutrients that can help your skin to have that slow aging process. So this is our juice. Let me get to know the comment section, your thoughts on the comment section, and also make sure you watch my first recipe pinned on the comment section, and also turn on the notification bell, because tomorrow same time we'll be doing our recipe number 3. Like I promised, it's 5 or more recipes this week on nutrition and skincare. So make sure you hit on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like, and let me get to know your thoughts on the comment section. Meanwhile, let me enjoy this, and also remember, for your skin, you need water. So make sure you have your water bottle with you to keep you motivated to keep hydrated all throughout the day.